Cold coffee is something we all love to have, especially during summers, but the fact that caffeine can pose potential health risks is also not hidden. Intake of caffeine increases blood pressure, which might result into headaches, insomnia, or indigestion. Not only this, caffeine can reduce fertility among both men and women and worsen symptoms during menopause. In fact, studies suggest that drinking more than 4 cups of coffee is linked to early death. So no matter what age or gender you are, intake of caffeine is really bad for your health. Therefore, why not make a drink which tastes exactly like coffee but uses no caffeine and is in fact very healthy? I know you must be wondering, is it even called coffee if it has no caffeine? Let's start the video and you'll know for yourself. In order to make no caffeine coffee, all you need are some white chickpeas. This method has been used by our ancestors for centuries now. Switch on the flame and keep it at medium. Take a pan and roast your white chickpea. Keep stirring while roasting because you don't want your chickpeas to burn.
A few moments later.
After about 5 minutes, you will notice that chickpeas का color change हो रहा है. इसे continuously चलाते रहना, stir करते रहना और flame को high पर मत रखना, otherwise they will burn. अगर थोड़ा सा टाइम ज़्यादा भी लगे तो भी मीडियम फ्लेम पर ही रख कर इन्हें रोस्ट करना है. This drink not just tastes amazing but is a superfood too. It helps in weight loss because the protein and fiber in chickpeas may help keep your appetite under control and curb all your cravings. मतलब कि ये ड्रिंक बहुत फिलिंग है और इसे पीने के बाद आपको बहुत देर तक भूख नहीं लगेगी जिससे कि आपका वेट लॉस होगा. In contrast to caffeine, chickpeas are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and they offer a variety of health benefits such as reducing hair fall, improving digestion, aiding weight management, and reducing the risk of several diseases. Additionally, chickpeas are high in protein and make an excellent replacement for meat in vegetarian and vegan diets. अब जब आपको पता है कि चिकपीस कितनी हेल्दी है, कितने सारे हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स ऑफ़र करते हैं और कैफ़ीन इज़ वेरी हार्मफुल टू हेल्थ, नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी आपका मन करे कॉफ़ी पीने का तो यही कॉफ़ी पीना. अब हम अपने रोस्टेड चिकपीस को ग्राइंडर में अच्छे से ग्राइंड कर लेंगे एंड द स्मेल इज़ अमेजिंग. इट जस्ट स्मेल्स लाइक कॉफ़ी और इसका टेक्सचर भी बिल्कुल कॉफ़ी की तरह ही है. You can make this DIY coffee powder or no coffee powder once and store it in a dry container. It does have a huge shelf life, but make sure इसमें गीला spoon नहीं डालना है. Make sure not to put a wet spoon in it, otherwise it will get ruined. So you saw how simple this was. You just need to roast it and then grind it once and then you can use it n number of times. Now that we are done making our no coffee powder, let's make our cold coffee. For this, take a mixer jar and pour chilled milk in it. Go ahead and add your no coffee powder according to your taste. I would recommend about 1 spoon of no coffee powder. You can see I'm adding a lot here. That is because the chocolatey color of coffee is directly proportional to the amount of no coffee powder you add in it. But make sure not to make your coffee too strong. Add about 1 spoon of no coffee powder and you're good to go, but that won't give you a chocolatey color. If you want that, add a little more of no coffee powder, but make sure not to make it very strong. Since I'm making a healthy version of coffee here, I added mishri powder, but you can add your regular caster sugar as well. Mix को about 1 minute के लिए चलाओ and you're good to go. Throw in some ice cubes and pour your cold coffee. The color, the consistency looks amazing, just like coffee. The chocolatey color owes to the amount of no coffee powder I added, but I repeat, you don't have to add so much, add according to your taste. Throw in some chopped almonds, it tastes very nice. There you go, we are done. In order to top my yummy coffee, I am adding some no coffee or roasted chickpeas powder along with some more almonds and a little mishri. वी आर डन. यू कैन ऐड अ लिटिल चॉकलेट टू. अब अपनी फैमिली के पास जाओ, उन्हें ये कॉफ़ी टेस्ट करवाओ एंड सी इफ़ दे कैन फाइंड अ डिफरेंस. जब मैंने ये कॉफ़ी फ़र्स्ट टाइम बनाई थी, मैंने अपनी मम्मा को टेस्ट कराया एंड मम्मा कुड नॉट बिलीव दैट आई हैव नॉट यूज्ड एनी कैफ़ीन और कॉफ़ी पाउडर इन इट. लेट मी नो इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शंस बिलो आपकी फैमिली का क्या रिएक्शन था. ऑल्सो यू कैन ऑलवेज कॉन्टैक्ट मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक. That's it for today's healthy and quick DIY coffee recipe. If you liked it, click on the like button. If you didn't, click on the dislike button. Thank you so much for being here. I see you here every Wednesday and Saturday with new and refreshing recipes. Also, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button for more such videos. Happy cooking. Bye-bye.